Okay, so for the first homework one, Hello Toast enhancements, I'm going to be walking through the app functionality on 3 different devices of various aspect ratios, and then I'm going to be showing the enhancements that I made to the code, to the initial prerequisite code, and then just walk through my enhancement document. So firstly, we'll go through the medium phone, and as you can see, if you do click the count button, the count does increase. And then if you do click say hello, it will redirect you to the second activity page, which displays hello exclamation mark and then the number that you had clicked to. This functionality remains the same on the other phones as well. So this is the Pixel 3, which is an older phone. Again, if you do click it, it will display the number of times that you do click, and then if you click say hello, it will again redirect you, similar to the previous phone. And then this is a Pixel Fold, which has a much wider aspect ratio. However, the app functionality remains the same. Through the enhancements that I made to the prerequisite document. So the first thing you have to do is modify the button in the activity main XML. It initially was displaying the word toast. Now you have to change it to say hello, to the phrase say hello. So the initial code, the text would say toast. You would click on that text, and then replace it with say hello. Then you will get a yellow warning or a yellow bulb. You do to clear that, you would click on the text anywhere in the text and then click option return, and then you would follow the instruction and quickly click the extract resource button. From here you would just replace the resource name and it will create the @string, and then after that you have to make sure you also update the button ID. The button ID was initially button toast as it was named from the prerequisite document. You can rename that to button hello. Then you have to change the Android one-click line in the activity main XML. So initially it was gonna redirect to the function show toast. So you have to redirect that to enhanced function, which is, or any other name you'd like to give. This will show a red bulb. Because there is not a function yet in the Java code. So you would click on the red bulb and then it will give you the option to create the enhanced function in the main activity or the main code. As you can see right here, you would click the yellow bulb in the drop-down menu, and then this will automatically create the enhanced function in the main activity Java file. And then in the project folders under Java, you would have to click the project folders on the side. I can show you real quick right here. You would click right here and then you would click new, file new, and then from new you would click activity, and then you would click basic views activity or empty views activity, sorry. And once you have done that, you name the activity, and then click finish, and then Android Studio will automatically open a Java file and XML file. And then you can just make some design layout changes for the enhanced activity to match the instructions. You can use the designer, or you can go right up the code. So we have the designer right here. Let's just close it out. So we have the designer right here. You can, just like we have done for the prerequisite activity and for the activity main XML, you are able to add the text views and adjust the font sizes, the constraints, and all those various different aspects of the attributes. And then this is the given code after you have made all the necessary adjustments to follow the format given in the instructions. And then now that you have designed the enhanced activity, you have to pass the count number right here, which you would have the count number, whatever the number would be, however many times you have clicked, you would have to pass that to the enhanced XML and launch the new activity. So to do this in the main activity file, in the Java file for the main activity, you would add this to the function. So as you may remember, once we created the enhanced function for the on-click, in the on-click function, we created the enhanced function right here. Let me just pull that up. And then once we did clear the yellow bulb or the red bulb, it automatically created the function in the Java file. And then here you would write up the code. This is the necessary code right here. And then after that, in the enhanced Java file, which was automatically created once you made the new activity. This will be automatically generated, but and then this is just a necessary code you would have to add. But the final application, as I showed earlier, will look something like this. And yep, that's the desired functionality that the instructions have outlined. Thank you.